Today's the day. Kids, wake up! We're going on vacation. Vacation! Whoa! Ow! Kids, we're going on vacation. Yeah, we're going on vacation. All right, wake up your dad. Stop. Going on vacation. Whoa! Ow! Sorry. Come on, you guys. Get ready. Stop being so tired. Okay. But we are going to 2 places. Who wants to go to China? Me. I wanna see if there's a parade there. Okay, but you guys are just staying there for a few hours. But me and the girls and I are going to California. So the girls are gonna take a train and you guys are gonna take a plane. I already packed the bags over there. You guys are staying there for a few hours. The girls are gonna stay there for a week. I do not know if there is like hotels there, like a famous one. So well there is famous hotels, but I don't know if there's hotels in China because I never looked it up. So what about we all start going? All right, come on, girls, let's get our bags. What about us? Do we need bags? No, you guys are just staying there for 2 hours. We're gonna stay there for a week. Aw, that's not fair. Come on, you guys. It only takes 2 days to get to China. Oh, okay. Then it will take 2 days to get to China. You guys are staying there for a few hours, and then you guys are gonna go back for 2 days. Well, days. It's kind of weird. Okay. Come on, girls, let's go. Ow. Sorry, I'm just really excited. Okay, I'm gonna go get the bags. This one's mega big because we need a mega big one. Alright, come on, girls. Okay, bye, boys. Hope we get a really good vacation. Come on, boys. Are you even coming? Yeah. Here. Okay, girls, let's go. You guys are taking a plane. It only takes 4 minutes to get there for you guys, and it takes like 7 minutes to get to the train for us. So you guys can go. Go ahead. Come on, let's go. Great. Sorry, girls. Bye. 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 Oh, bye. I think they would be there soon. All right, girls, let's go. 7 minutes later. Alright, girls, we're here. Whoa, this place is so cool. Is this our train? Yeah, that's our train. Okay. So, girls, we're gonna have to go to the other side. Why? Because that train's gonna go first. And a lot of people love to see it go. So we have to go with a bunch of people, or it will just be us just here, and there will be no one else. Come on, girls, on the other side. Okay. Look, it's going. Mommy, what state is that place going to? Oh, girls, that train is going over to, I think, Texas. Ah, that's so cool. All right. Alright, girls, let's go. On to the other side. Okay, Mommy. Here. Get bags. Alright, here's a train. Get inside. Come on, get the bags. Alright, let's go. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? 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 Honey, stop it. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Stop me, Moses. Okay. I want candy. I want candy. I want candy. Stop it. Mom, can I please go on my phone? No, the person that's driving this says that no electronics here. You have to wait. Maybe like read or... It's going so fast. How are we going to read? Read a newspaper? I said, how are we going to read? Sorry, maybe I didn't listen. Mom! I'm hungry. 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 Alright, I think we're here. Alright, let's get out. We're here in California, you guys. Yay! Alright. So, what about we take our bags and go ahead to California? We're gonna get a house hotel. Yay! And there's gonna be bunk beds there. Yay! And a giant TV there. Yay! Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go over. We're gonna do a part 2 video. If you want to see part 2, subscribe to my channel.